Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel. Get a medium to large size saucepan and get 2 cups of tomato sauce. You can use tomato ketchup as well. That usually is thicker and yummy. Then add 6 tablespoons of mustard. I'm using French. Then add half a cup of Worcestershire sauce, then 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. If you don't know what that is, it looks like this. So healthy. Then I add about 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoons sometimes of tabasco sauce. Then add about a teaspoon of sea salt or sea salt flakes. And finally add half a cup of honey. Now if you don't want the sweetness of the honey, just don't add that, and that's going to give you a really good steak sauce. And just give this a stir. We just want to mix this through so it's well combined. Just heat this on low to medium heat. Once it starts to bubble, you add the cocktail franks. However many cocktail franks you want. The reason I'm making so much is because I like to make the cocktail franks but also have a lot of sauce left over for dipping and for other recipes. But if you just want to use it just for the cocktail franks, just reduce the sauce by at least a half, or even just reduce it by 75%. Alright, now that it's bubbling, now that it's bubbling, get your cocktail franks and chuck them in. Now for this I'm only putting in about 500 grams, but basically for the amount of sauce here, you could easily put in 2 or 3 kilos, which is about 5 or 6 pounds. So you could really get heaps. And this is really good to make on a day when you're watching the football or something. Having some friends over, and make a bunch of these and sit there and munch away. Now all we need to do is cook these for about 20 minutes, but we don't want it to be on high. We just want them to cook in there. If we cook it for too long or for too high, if we cook this on high for too long, or we just cook it for too long, these will start to split. We don't want that. Well, unless you do, but I don't. Alrighty then, these are ready. Now just put in a bowl, put on a platter, put toothpicks in it, whatever, shove them all in your mouth. It's all good. Yummy,